Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to MozBar for instant SERP and link checking, beginner guide step by step clearly. In the search bar, type MozBar and press enter. Click on the official Moz website link that appears in the search results. Once on the Moz homepage, locate the MozBar section. Click on the Get MozBar or Install button. This will direct you to the Chrome Web Store page for MozBar. On the Chrome Web Store page, look for the Add to Chrome button. Click on that Add to Chrome button to initiate the installation. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm the installation. Click on Add Extension in the pop-up window. Once the installation is complete, a MozBar icon will appear in your browser's toolbar. Click on the MozBar icon to open it. You will need to sign in with a Moz account. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email and set a password. After creating your account, log in using your credentials. Now that you are signed in, you can customize your MozBar settings. Adjust the features based on your needs for SERP and link checking. When you're ready, navigate to any search engine for instant SERP analysis. MozBar will display metrics, including domain authority and page authority. Hover over any link to see additional information about it. You are now set to use MozBar for your SEO needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.